Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well, guys, Asad Yaqub here, and I welcome all my students, especially my students from Bangladesh. If you are from Bangladesh, please comment below because I want to see how many students are from there. Secondly, I welcome my students from Pakistan, right? So if you're from Pakistan, you must comment, and India, Nepal, Sri Lanka. So I request you all to type the name of your country, maybe city and country, that is going to be better. And how can I forget Africa? I've got so many students from Nigeria, Lagos, I guess. And then I've got students from South Africa, East Africa, North Africa. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos. And then I have students in Canada. If you're from Canada, please type the name of your country, and especially UAE, Saudi Arabia, and all that. Well, guys, the purpose of making this video is to tell you that you have embarked on a great journey. And the reward after this journey, after the successful accomplishment of this journey, the reward is going to be great. You know, all of us, we have some dreams. We have aspirations. We have desires. We actually tailor our life according to our desires, according to, everybody wants comfort in life. And we want to have a comfortable life, not only for us, but for people who are around us, especially our nuclear family. So we want to give them a comfortable life. We want to enjoy the best life. And most importantly, we want to have a secure life where there are no threats and all that. So when we talk about these things, when you want something, remember, whenever you want, behind that is effort. Your wants will become, the daydreams if there are no efforts behind them. Now, many students come to me, they want certain band score to achieve in IELTS, but they are not willing to put in effort. So as a result, their wants become dreams, daydreams only, and they never achieve anything. So my point is, by the grace of Almighty God, I have achieved so much in life. I started my life from scratch, from zero investment, okay? And then I started my career from there. I'm talking about my professional life. It all started with zero investment, from scratch, okay? When all of a sudden, one of my class fellows, he opened a street academy and he took me there and he said, you have to teach spoken English in this academy. Initially, I was reluctant. I was scared. I was terrified. Right? I got confused that how would I deal with the students? And then gradually I went on. What I did, I put in effort. And today, who I am, where I am, what I am, this is the reward of my past effort. So what we do, we are always reaping the reward of our past effort, or we are reaping the punishment of our past lack of effort, no effort, and all that. Life still goes on. Whether you shape it, deshape it, reshape it, or whatever you do, life continues. Life goes on. So basically, seconds become minutes, minutes become hours, hours become days, days become weeks, weeks become months, and then months become years, and the whole process goes on and on and on and on. It's unstoppable or unstoppable, okay? We cannot stop life from happening. I cannot stop my life and I say, I will have my 1 year, my birthday after 2 years. Not at all. It has to come. It is not in my control. Remember one thing, many of us, we blame that my surroundings, I don't have any opportunity in my surroundings. Many of us blame that, I'm in the wrong country, I'm in the wrong city, I'm with the wrong people. Remember one thing, you are not a tree. A tree has to stay there. Once a tree leaves the place, eventually it is going to die. So this is the best thing. You are not a tree. You can go to any country. If today you are in Bangladesh, right? If today you are in Pakistan, India, Nepal, Sri Lanka, UAE, Canada, wherever you are, not Canada, okay? You can literally go to any part of the world. This world belongs to us. This planet is our planet, but we need to deserve. There are certain parts of the world which are better off than the other parts. Some parts have more luxuries. Some parts of the world have more miseries. So, everybody wants to shift from miseries to luxuries. So, in order to shift from miseries to luxuries, you need to do some effort. You guys are lucky if you're watching this video. You know why? Because you have decided to change your life, you have decided to transform your life, and you have decided to get your desired band in IELTS. Now, let me tell you, my first interaction with IELTS was horrible. When I took a look at listening, out of 40 questions, I had 7-8 right answers and I didn't know what to do. That was my first interaction with IELTS listening. And IELTS reading seemed like a monster, seemed like something impossible, right? And then writing and, so did writing and the other modules, they were the same. But then I actually decided, come what may, I would do it. I decided to become an IELTS trainer. I put in a lot of effort. I still remember I used to read a lot of books about IELTS, okay? Then I solved IELTS reading tests myself. Cambridge IELTS books 4 to 19, I've solved every test. Listening, reading, academic, general training, I solved all the tests. And today, you know Asad Yaqub, who is a small IELTS trainer right in front of you. So, effort can change destiny. Effort can change your future. Effort can get you or earn you whatever you want in your life. So, currency is actually effort, and effort can buy you anything. Those who do not put in effort, and they have only desires. One day you go to a shop and you want to buy so many things, you fill the trolley. And when it comes to paying the bill at the counter, you say, I don't have money. Will they allow you to take all the stuff home? Never. Currency, money is more important. So in the same way in life, the most important thing is effort. If you are ready, if you are determined to do something, if you are willing to put in all the effort, most definitely whatever you want. That's one of my popular songs. In that he says, your every wish will be done. So effort is the channel through which your every wish is going to be done. Now, let's come back to IELTS. When you start your IELTS, most of you, your first interaction must be like my first interaction with IELTS. Horrible, very difficult, because we guys are non-native speakers of English. All the people in Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, India, we are non-native speakers. English is not our first language. Even in Africa, English is not the first language there. Right? So we are the non-native speakers of English. When it comes to IELTS, first we are like, huh? And many students, when they have their first interaction with IELTS, they run away. They change their planning, right? They say, okay, this is not something I can do. But remember, effort can change destiny. Believe me, effort can change destiny. Because destiny is written by God, and when God sees you putting effort in a certain direction, then God changes your destiny and God says, okay, now this is another thing which is good for you, right? So in IELTS also, when you have your first interaction, most definitely things are difficult. Then you have your second interaction, third interaction. Gradually, IELTS becomes normal for you, and then you feel like it's easy. Part 1 is easy, part 2 is difficult. Some questions are easy, some questions are difficult. So regularity, punctuality, dedication, right? All these things are going to help you receive your desired band. Again, I'm telling you, Whenever it comes to going towards our destination, some of us reach there, some of us fall by the wayside, some of us change their direction, some of us, they take, some of us, we take U-turn, right? And we come back and we change our plans and all that. But remember, if you are fully determined, nothing will come in your way or on your way. So you will be able to get everything that you want. So my point is, if you take a look at your plight means condition. If you take a look at your condition, you don't want to be the same way in future. Agreed? Yes. Right? If you see the circumstances around you, you don't want to be in the same circumstances in future. Agreed? And if you see the condition of your parents, your family, your sibling, your children, right? You don't want them to be the same. You want to give them bright future. You want to give them something far better than what they are experiencing right now, because you and your family, you don't deserve what's happening with you now. This is not what you deserve. This is not the end of your life. This is not how you're going to live the rest of your life. In the rest of your life, there are going to be many pleasant surprises, and these surprises are going to change each and everything, and then you're going to enjoy the real life, the essence of real life, and then you will realize, we call it self-actualization. When you are out of fears, fear of lack of money, fear of lack of education, fear of bad health, right? When you're coming out of these fears, then you are going to reach self-actualization, and that will be the time you will really enjoy your life. So today's effort is equal to tomorrow's reward. Remember, your future is always bigger than your present, right? Now it is like, for example, 2024 or 2025. If you look back, 2022, your life was different. And now your present is bigger than your past. In the same way, every day, if you set in a brick by brick, little by little, okay, your life is going to be better. And this life is going to be bigger. If anybody asks me, Asad Yaqub 2020, take a look at my first video. On my channel, I just, advise you to come to my channel, main page, and there select the first video I made. There's a button where you can see my first video. I mean, look at that video, which was filmed back in 2010, 2010 somewhere. And today, you will see I have transformed a lot. All my journey through ages, through time, through decades can be seen on YouTube. So, effort. Little by little, step by step, bit by bit, and then you're going to come closer and closer, and your future must be far bigger than your present, where you guys are now. It's not a lecture, it's something coming out of my heart. That is why it is touching your heart. While listening to me, some of you would be having some goosebumps as well, because you guys are serious. You guys really want to change your life. You guys want to transform your life. You don't want to be what you are right now. You want to be different. You want to be like those who achieved success in life, those who went to foreign countries, they got immigrations and all that. So you want to do that, okay? For that, IELTS is the ladder. Effort is the fuel. And fuel and ladder both are going to take you to your destination country. And one day you will be sitting and relaxing, enjoying your cup of tea or cup of coffee or juice, and thinking about past, how you used to be and how you are now. You'll be doing some meditation, and then you'll smile and say, thank goodness I made enough progress in my life. I'm satisfied with my life now. All the best, guys. Thank you so much. I'm not a motivational speaker or anyone like that. But what I try is to actually give you, some pieces of advice from my heart. So it was a heart-to-heart talk with you. Okay? So hopefully this would change your life, inshallah, by the grace of Almighty God. All the best. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore, Pakistan. And we offer IELTS test booking service in Pakistan. Along with that, we have study plans for IELTS preparation, okay? Like we have a study plan if you want to prepare for IELTS in the month of December, January, February. We have separate study plans for each month and they will help you prepare. Then we offer PTE classes, single module preparation. So if you want to get any of these services, you can contact us on WhatsApp. Asad Yaqub wholeheartedly wishes you best of luck with your IELTS preparation and with your life. Happy life, okay? All the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.